This is June 18, 2026, and we're back in Tabor. Tabor considers itself to be the corn capital of Alberta, at least, so this statue is a tribute to their major crop here. The farmers market this year is at Confederation Park in Tabor. So they have a few food trucks that have lined up already. I'm here really early. It's probably they start the farmers market at 4. I'm probably here at 3:30. So everybody's just getting set up. The food trucks are pretty well set up and ready to go just about. Have to see what a boogie spud is. Loaded baked potatoes. All right. Take a picture of your menu.
Here, this one.
Got one I can hold up?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. It's going to do a video of the market, so it's kind of nice to. It smells good in here.
They're chili.
Ah, thank you. So this is the first day of the farmers market this year, 2026, in Tabor, Alberta.
Not bad, haven't seen you for a while. Good. How's Ed and Andy doing? Good, good. Albert? Good. Good. I ran into Albert, the girls, they were in town here. I live up by the hospital there, on the other side of the hospital, and I run into him.
I'm going to try one of these.
Sure.
Oh, that's this.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, you have kohlrabi already?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Fast.
I think that's all.
Getting all geared up.
It's 8.
You got?
Oh, no,
Is there a charm?
Yeah, beautiful.
We don't have any bags. That is going to be on our list for next time. Yes, definitely. Hi, how are you? This is coffee beans, roasted in paper. So my husband grows coffee in Nicaragua and Colombia.
Oh, okay. Is this in the grocery stores too, or?
No, this is a
No,
just
just for you.
home-based business. So people
Okay.
can pick up, and we can deliver for free in paper.
Right. Nice.
Thank you. And this is a work done by.
Oh, this is yours.
Yes.
Oh.
And this is a work done by a group of friends in Colombia,
Oh.
indigenous.
Oh,
And then I make the scarves.
nice.
Thank you.
That is cute.
Hello.
Hi, those are so cute.
They go over top of your oven door so that the towel isn't on the floor or on the counter or
I
someplace
see.
else. And
Okay.
you tie up there. And,
Yeah, they're so cute. They look like little baby
well,
bits.
somebody said, well, they work for a dress. I said, I don't think you can get any baby's head through that. So, anyway.
Huh. Neat.
Scrubbies and pin cushions.
Pin cushions. Okay.
They have walnut shell inside them, so it sharpens your
Sharpens your pins.
sharpens your pins and
Yeah. Oh my goodness. It's awfully windy here today.
You're taking pictures of everything?
I'm gonna video the whole market today. Yeah. And then put it on YouTube. So if you search for Tabor Farmers Market, you'll probably see it in a few days. Once I get it up there, it takes a few days. Well, a day or so.
Butterfly flew away.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Pretty.
This and the roller all made from fresh flour.
Licensed. Hello. Are these made here in Taylor? Do you make these?
Yeah,
Do you?
yeah, we have a restaurant in town, so we made it in our restaurant.
Oh, great.
Yes. Good deal. Yeah, I saw you call. Yeah.
Hi.
I'll see you soon.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? I'm good, thank you. Just chilly.
Beautiful flowers.
Thank you.
So there were a lot of empty tables today, this being the first farmers market of the year. I think that these tables will be filled up next time, probably. But it's a pretty good outing for the first time.